What's going on today, everybody? Today we're going to start off trying to catch some brim. That's what we're going for. That's our targeted species, but anything else that bites and we catch, that's a plus. So we're going to start off with our bitsy minnow, and then we may go to our small rattle. So let's get in the water. With the red worms, been chilling in the house in the air conditioning for a couple of days because we didn't fish yesterday. Alright, we'll give them a little something to nibble on right there just to see if they're in this area. Last time I was here, we had a lot of success over there, and we'll definitely hit that before we leave. Somebody's there. All right, it's a little brim. Little brim. Appreciate you for hanging out. All right, another gill. Looks like the exact same one. That was a nice quick hit. One of these days, little buddy, you're gonna be a fighter out here in the world. This is probably a catfish, but if it is a bluegill, it's a decent one for this area. Look at there, guys. That's great for this area. Nice bluegill right here. Nice gilly right here. Catch of the day so far. Let's get her back out there. Got another one. Not quite as big. Nowhere as big. But this is the size we get out here. Thank you. Ain't nothing wrong with those calves up here. guys already know this is nice for this area. I think that's a little pan fish right there. You can go in the pan tonight. But not tonight, baby. Coach Gary caught you, so you get a chance to go back out there. Hook up. Hey, I just had to say it, guys. Definitely not my scene. You guys know. Who are you? It felt crazy. Those old catfish. And guys, this might be a channel cat. All we get out here are these we get these bullheads. This one's a little bit different. Different species of cat. I was gonna see if y'all could hear her talking. Let's get her back out there.